Yo, this is my boy Frans picking me up with the all-wheel drive 4-door Integra. What up, my guy? You drive with the windows up? You guys know this is my boy Frans. What up, Frans?
What up?
We're in the all-wheel drive Integra. Cold AC. I got live a little bit. Yeah, cold AC. We're gonna go for a ride to this car meet. We're gonna see how this car is. We'll give you a little review on this car. You guys don't know, he has a 1,000 horsepower K20 all-wheel drive Civic as well. And he just wanted to build this car just to have fun, something he could daily with AC. Power steering, no kind of power steering, right? No power steering, but AC. So something he can drive around with his kids, take it to soccer practice and whatnot. So I think it's a win-win. It's fast, but it ain't like the Mo, yo. I definitely feel the difference.
It's a huge difference.
I felt the AC get a little warm.
It's a fucking huge difference.
Yeah, man, this is a street car for real. Definitely a car I would drive on a daily basis. Feels nice and smooth, very quiet. Yo, you don't mind talking about the car getting outside the car, right? Because I don't know if it was too loud, the microphone didn't catch it.
Yeah, I think it's loud as fuck.
Yeah, but the car is quiet though. Compared to like the other cars we drive, this is a pretty quiet car. So everything is pretty much stock on this car. It's a stock CRV 5-speed trans?
Yeah.
Stock 5-speed trans, CRV diff. You said you didn't lock the clutch plates, right?
They're welded.
It's welded plates. We can kind of hear it spinning. I'm not used to it because I have a wagon rear diff, so I don't hear it, but I hear it on this. Shoot. We'll tell you more about the car when we get out the car, though. All right, so we're out the car. Here it is, 4-door Integra. Which is a rare color. Original paint. I don't know what the color code is, but it's close to like a Captiva. That badge. It's got 5-lug ITR wheels on it, 16-inch ITR wheels. This is the cool. Look at this. Look at this intake right here. Took out the inner headlight, put the carbon fiber scoop right here, and it sits flush, and it's flush with the curves. It's flush with the curves of the bumper and everything. It's really nice. He don't like being on camera, so I gotta break him in a little bit. But yo, tell me a little bit about this car, bro. Oh, you just gonna leave a nigga hanging?
It's a stock K20, stock transmission. Simple setup is a 6266.
Yeah.
Land Rover Freelander drive shaft. It's got stock CRV diff is just locked.
You can open the hood so we can see it.
Yeah.
You can check out the setup, guys. This is something you guys can do. Wow. All right, so now we can explain a little bit better with some visuals for the people at home. So what does this car have in it?
Stock K20, it's a Z3 out of 08 SI.
Mm-hmm.
Stock CRV trans. Stock transfer case. It's got a Land Rover Freelander drive shaft.
Mm-hmm.
Tri-State Motorsports exhaust manifolds, Precision 6266 turbo. Very simple. Nothing out of the ordinary. Stock motor, stock trans. AC, heat.
I know if you guys didn't see this car has AC lines in it, and you rerouted it right through the fender because I guess it wouldn't work with this shit, right?
Yeah.
So you rerouted through the fender here, through the firewall. Pretty slick. What do you like about this build right here, man?
I like the fact that it's a street car, simple. You know, plan on driving it every day.
Yeah.
Nothing out of the ordinary.
Mm-hmm.
Low key. Just looking to enjoy.
Yeah, sleeper. It's a sleeper.
Yeah.
Hell yeah. How much power does this thing push? I know you ain't put on a dyno. You did like a street tune, but I mean from the tune, or you know, you can kind of tell how much boost and shit.
Probably around 400.
400?
Yeah.
Okay. Shit, that's more than enough for a regular street car that you could daily. I didn't even get this. Everything on this car is real budgety. Full size radiator, aluminum radiator. The reservoir for which one? This is the reservoir for the windshield wiper.
That's washer fluid.
Washer fluid, that's right.
Reservoir.
Yeah, I like that 2 setup right there. right there. Washer fluid and coolant reservoir. Alright, so he gonna show us a little something. It's a little K20. Are you gonna hit it in second gear?
Yeah. When I come around here,
He gonna do a 2 to 4. Oh. Around the bend, motherfucker? You crazy?
Isn't that track?
Yeah, I know. My bad, guys. My battery died, so I had to continue this video a little later. So luckily the Integra's right here, so let's finish off this video. Let me show you the fuel system in this. This is what's it called? Speeding Performance 15-gallon fuel cell, drop-in fuel pump. This is a Hellcat fuel pump.
Yes, it's got a Hellcat pump.
There's only one, right?
Single pump, yeah.
Single pump, but you do have the option to put 2 in it.
3.
3? So this
Yeah.
whole canister thing can hold 3 fuel pumps. And that's the fuel filter.
That's the fuel filter.
And then on the bottom of the car, he's running a you're running a Hub City. Wait, that's not Hub City. It looks like Hub City.
Hub City trailing arms.
Hub City trailing arms. CRV diff, right?
Here's a CRV diff.
That's right. We talked about it, and it's welded and shit.
Yep.
Oh man, 3-inch exhaust all the way to the back.
3-inch exhaust.
To what kind of exhaust is that?
It's a vibrant exhaust.
Vibrant muffler?
Yeah, vibrant.
Damn, it just sounds good. With a resonator too, so when you turn it on, it's just. We can turn it on real quick, Frank. Listen to that. Rev it up, Fred. Yeah. This shit sounds quiet, but this shit's got a little muscle to it on the road. So this is pretty much your wideband, everything built in, right? It tells you your air fuel, your temperature, your coolant temperature.
Yeah, coolant temperature.
Well, you got 2 of them. Do you need this one?
Yeah, that's a different one. It gives everything. Wideband. The ethanol control.
Ethanol content level. What's that right there? Boost?
Boost, yeah.
So your MAP, and then that's oil?
Temperature.
Oh, okay, yeah. Yeah, guys. Check that out. It's a beautiful car. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. I'm about to log off, get out of here. You enjoy the rest of your day. Oh. If you guys want me to do more of these kind of videos, drop a comment down below, give me a thumbs up, let me know that you enjoy this, and I'll keep on continuing pumping out more of these type of videos with people around my neighborhood or people you recommend me to go interview and stuff like that. But other than that, have a blessed day.
I am Ty Boogie.